Hello people, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Top analyst sets $246 XRP price target, citing historical pattern after Bitcoin halving. Interesting. Okay guys, I've made this clear before in terms of 3-digit XRP. I do think it's possible. Do I think it's possible this bull run? I'm a little bit more skeptical of that, to be completely honest, but I'm not going to say it's impossible, so I always keep my mind open to this. So I've said a 3-digit XRP is possible, so could it happen this bull run? Yeah, it's possible. I'm just saying, how likely do I think it is? And so when I've spoke about XRP recently, obviously I've been speaking about a lot of price projections, and they've all been positive, guys. Like, I'm not seeing people saying XRP is going down, and when I say this, I mean like credible people like chart analysts. And don't get me wrong, this isn't to say that all chart analysts are going to be right all the time. Of course not. I've seen it already recently with somebody being wrong, but what I'm saying is that these people are reading charts to get the data. They're not people just screaming, oh, XRP price is low, it's going to zero, right? They're actually people who are reading chart data and actually having some kind of information to back up their thesis. And so when I look at this, for me, I've said it before, but even if it doesn't get to $246, the fact that these people are saying that it's going to go high, it should mean that XRP's price is going to do well, right? It should mean that it's going to go better than what it currently is. And so that to me is what the positive thing is. So I want to see what this guy has to say. I want to see if what he says is anything that can make me believe, a 3-digit XRP. And I'm sure you guys want to see this as well, especially with what's going on in the market, because I know there's been that little bit of excitement and now things are like wavering a little bit. So I'm sure you guys are getting a little bit distraught now and a bit worn down. I get it. This is how the market goes though, guys. It's not meant to be easy, right? If it was easy, everybody would just be making money left, right and center all the time. It's meant to be a prolonged battle. It's meant to be endurance. It's meant to be mentally testing. So let's get into the article and then we can discuss this a little bit further. The Block Bull, a UK-based crypto analyst, sees XRP pushing towards $246 if it can sustain a historical pattern that occurred after the last two Bitcoin halving events. The analyst called attention to this pattern in a recent analysis on X, citing data from a weekly chart. Per the accompanying chart, XRP traded within the symmetrical triangle from 2015 to March 2017. This consolidation coincided with the second Bitcoin halving, which occurred in July 2016. XRP historical pattern post-Bitcoin halving. However, 252 days after the Bitcoin halving, XRP recorded a breakout at the peak of the symmetrical triangle in March 2017. This breakout led to a sustained price uptrend, which culminated in an interim peak of 43 cents in May 2017. Notably, the interim peak came up 336 days after the Bitcoin halving and 84 days after XRP broke above the symmetrical triangle. Following the interim peak, XRP continued to increase in price, eventually reaching the all-time high of $3.30 in January 2018, 539 days after the Bitcoin halving. This marked the end of the cycle. This pattern again played out from 2020 to 2021. According to the chart, 252 days after the third Bitcoin halving, which occurred in May 2020, XRP witnessed a price breakout, recovering from the low of 24 cents in January 2021. Following this breakout, the market saw a sustained uptrend, eventually leading to the $1.96 high in April 2021. 84 days after the breakout occurred. This cycle ended in November 2021, with XRP unable to surpass the all-time high registered in January 2018. An ambitious $246 price target. However, the Block Bull believes it can scale above this level this time around, as he anticipates a repetition of the pattern this cycle. Recall that the fourth latest Bitcoin halving occurred last month. The analyst expects XRP to stage the much needed breakout 252 days later, essentially in December. XRP is then expected to reach the interim peak for this cycle, 336 days after the Bitcoin halving, putting the timeline in March next year. Interestingly, The block ball sees XRP reaching a top of $246 during this cycle, making a massive 47,017% price upsurge from the current value of 52 cents. While this price appears extremely audacious, others have projected similar targets in the past. Last July, crypto analyst eGreg predicted XRP to reach $1.40, $3.70, or $200 depending on its trajectory in the bull run. Pundit Javon Marks also asserted last week that XRP could reach $200 amid the appearance of its, quote, largest coil pattern ever, unquote. Several market watchers have also set multiple targets for XRP price after the latest Bitcoin halving. Analyst Leb sees XRP breaking above the $3.80 all-time high, while Credible expects XRP to rally 100% against Bitcoin after the halving. Meanwhile, XRP continues to trade at 52 cents, up 3.46% this month. Okay guys, interesting, real interesting. So, as I say, I'm not really a chart analyst, so I really can't give this any kind of credibility. I like the sound of it. Obviously, it sounds great. And it does sound realistic in the sense of when he's giving timeframes, right? Because if you heard, he was saying that this is going to happen like December. So it's not like saying, hey, next month, this is going to just, fly up to $246. He's talking about quite a bit of a time frame in that regard. So, I mean, look, I don't know if it's feasible. I do believe XRP can reach 3 digits. I don't think that's unrealistic. In terms of in this bull run, I'm a bit more skeptical of that just because of how much of an increase it is. Like, that's a really big increase. But the two factors that I've always said with regards to this since the whole lawsuit has happened is, look, XRP missed the last bull run. So that's already going to have made an impact in terms of it didn't get to have its true full potential. So that could just mean that the next rally that this comes from when XRP really does take off, it could be completely more exponential than before because it didn't have its chance to have its true pump from the last bull run. And the other thing I'll say is obviously XRP is the only cryptocurrency right now with legal clarity. So these are two things that could easily gain XRP a huge advantage in this bull run because just think about it like this, guys. I've explained it, but let me just break it down quickly. If you were someone coming into the crypto market, let's just say you hear about crypto, it's booming, Bitcoin's taking off again, the market's rallying, you want to get into crypto, you want to get involved, right? Okay, so you're speaking to a friend who's already involved in crypto and they say, hey, look, the SEC at the moment are going after a load of cryptos, no one's safe, they're basically saying everything except for Bitcoin is a security, and they're just suing a load of companies. And then you say, well, is like any crypto that's safe from all this? Oh, well, Ripple have already had their lawsuit with the SEC and they won, so XRP actually has legal clarity. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll go into XRP then, right? Seeing as I know that's safe, I know that's not a crypto that I'm going to invest in and then could potentially get bombed through the bull run just because of a lawsuit coming up. So that's where they could capture a lot more market share than they would have previously. So that could be a massive advantage for XRP. So we will see, guys. Like, there are definitely factors that could maybe make this run be very different to how it would have been under normal circumstances. So I'll be interested to see what can happen. As I said earlier, I'm a little skeptical, but I do believe 3 digits is possible. So could it happen? It's possible. It is possible. It's not unrealistic. I just think it's a bit soon for it to happen this bull run, right? That's all I'm saying. But I remain open-minded. And for me, as I said earlier, the main thing is that people are being positive about XRP and they're expecting good price action. That to me is what's the main thing to take from this. Analysts are saying very good expectations. So for me, that's what I'm excited for. But what do you guys think? XRP to $246. Do you like the sound of this? Do you think that XRP can reach $246? Do you think that XRP can reach higher than $246? Or do you not like the sound of this? Do you not think that XRP can reach $246? And if you don't think that XRP can reach $246, what price do you think that it can reach? Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'll be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.